So today I'm going to be showing you guys this rangefinder and helping you determine whether or not you would like to make a purchase. At the end of this video, you're actually going to see through the lens, and I'm going to show you shooting different parts of the room with the rangefinder so you can see how it works. First off, if you're looking to get a rangefinder, you're on the right direction as a golfer. I'm a scratch golfer. I've been playing golf for a long time now. I would rather lose my 7-iron than my rangefinder. I use it on every shot. You need to know how far you are. It's a very important aspect of the game, and it's important to keep in your bag. So this is what it comes in. It comes in this box. You get a case with it. You get the carabiner. You get the charging cord right here, so it charges just like that, and it comes with this strap as well, so you can wear it around your wrist. A couple things to note about this. One, it comes with slope and without slope. I think this is really good right here. It actually has a toggle on the side to turn on or turn off slope. So when it's up like that, when you can see that red, that means slope is on. When it's down, that means slope is off. If you're playing in a tournament, you're not allowed to use slope. And this is a great way to have it on the outside. So, you know, a tournament official or somebody in your group knows what you're doing. Golf is a game of integrity. As it should be clear whether or not you're using slope on your rangefinder. So it's good that they have that there. You don't want to use slope in a tournament. Only when you're playing in practice rounds or playing for fun is it okay to use slope. There's 3 different modes in this. Mode 1, which is regular. Mode 2 with slope. You obviously have to have this thing turned on for it to work. And then mode 3, which is speed, which I don't know. We don't use that for golf. Yep. So I'm going to go take you guys to the inside here and show you what it looks like through the lens. Okay, so right now I have it on mode 2 and I'm just shooting this putter grip that I have across the room. One thing to note is that on mode 2 you get the Tour Volt, so you heard that little vibration there. Now I'm on mode 1 and I'm shooting a little swiffer. No Tour Volt on mode 1, mode 2 doing it again. You hear kind of that jolt again. M3 I hit there for a second. That's the speed. We're not going to use that in golf. Mode 1 again, hitting that is 7 yards away. So that's how it looks through the lens. Obviously, it's difficult to get a good read through the video, but hopefully you're able to get something from that. I also did want to note it is magnetic on the side, which is pretty cool. So you could slap this onto the side of the golf cart if you wanted to. Just make sure you don't leave it there. And then also the focus on the lens. So, you know, depending on how you see, you can change the focus to make sure that you can see it clearly through the rangefinder. So thank you to the company for sending us this product to test. Overall, I think this is a pretty high quality rangefinder. That's what you're going to get.